Hello students, this question is from test series 1, subject analog, from the chapter feedback amplifiers. The given question is of 1 marks question. The transistor, it consists of one transistor. The base terminal of the transistor, it is connected with two capacitance and with the resistance Rs and Rf with voltage source Vs, and collector terminal of the transistor, it is connected with one resistance, that is Rc, and emitter terminal is grounded, and this is the output. The question states that for the feedback circuit shown in the above, we need to calculate the transmission factor for this circuit. The option A is minus Rc by Rf, option B is minus Rf by Rc, option C is plus Rf, option D is minus 1 by Rf. The given circuit is a voltage shunt feedback. There are four basic ways of connecting a feedback signal with voltage and current can be feedback to the input either in series or parallel. Four types are voltage series feedback, voltage shunt feedback, current series feedback, and current shunt feedback. The given question is a type of voltage shunt feedback. This is the diagram for voltage shunt feedback. It is having transistor amplifier with a beta factor and current source Is and with a load resistance RL. Here If is equal to beta into V0. At the output side it will be V0. In the circuit, the voltage refers to connecting the output voltage as input to the feedback network. The shunt refers to connecting the feedback signal in shunt with an input current source. Shunt feedback connection, it will tends to decrease in the input resistance. The voltage feedback, it tends to decrease the output impedance. Hence from circuit we can write If is equal to beta into V0. We want the beta factor, so beta is equal to If divided by V0. So beta is minus 1 by Rf. Hence this is the required answer. So option D is the correct answer. From this question we learned voltage shunt feedback and how many types of ways of connecting the feedback signals, that is voltage series feedback, voltage shunt feedback, and current series feedback, current shunt feedback, and the working of the voltage shunt feedback. And we are calculating the transmission factor for the beta.